Hi everyone, welcome to Kiran Design Studio. This is a short video on my 6-week series workshop, Transform Your Textile. Each week you will be introduced to a new technique. We will start with textile dyeing from the kitchen. So here, for instance, is a beautiful muslin scarf which has been dyed with turmeric and saffron. You will also learn how to stitch on the leaves as you connect with your surroundings. And towards the end, you will be encouraged to explore stitches on your special piece of textile that holds a special memory for you. So for instance, I have this pencil case, which was made by one of my little ones during the primary school years. So the way I'm working on it, once I finish, it will no longer be a pencil case. It will hold all the memories and preserve all the memories. So join me on 27th of February to have a lot of fun each week. Thank you. Bye.